Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope all are you doing well. I am Mohammad Mujammel Haq, Senior Assistant Teacher, Pulistan High School, Kumilla. I am again in front of you. The previous class I discussed about the tense, and you know that there are three kinds of tense: present tense, past tense and future tense. Today I am going to talk about present tense. At first I want to write some example. Please look at the board. Number 1, I write a letter. Number 2, I am writing a letter. Number 3, I have written a letter. Number 4, I have been writing a letter for 1 hour. Here are 4 sentences. Number 1, I write a letter. In বাংলা আমি একটি চিঠি লিখি। Number 2, I am writing a letter. আমি একটি চিঠি লিখছি। Number 3, I have written a letter. আমি একটি চিঠি লিখেছি। Number 4, I have been writing a letter for 1 hour. আমি 1 ঘন্টা যাবত একটি চিঠি লিখতেছি বা লিখছি। Dear students, all these are present tense, and all the example, all the sentence is used to talk about present or future action. Talk about present or future action. So there are 4 kinds of present tense or 4 form. You know that. Number 1, present indefinite tense or simple present simple. Number 2, present continuous tense. Number 3, present perfect tense. Number 4, present perfect continuous tense. In the previous class, I have discussed about present indefinite tense also. When I discuss about the tenses, then I discuss present indefinite tense. It is an action of present, regular, and true or universal truth, etc. Today I especially discuss about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. It is an action of present time which is still going on. বর্তমান কালে কোনো কাজ হচ্ছে বা ঘটতেছে, এটা এখনো শেষ হয়নি, এটা চলতেছে। That means present continuous tense. Look at I am writing a letter. Then the structure will be structure at first subject, then am. It is am. Sometimes we know that auxiliary verb am is are. It can be is, it can be are plus verb, main verb right is ing. So verb plus ing plus object or extension. Another structure in case of negative sentence. Negative sentence, then subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb plus ing plus object or extension. Yes, students, I am writing a letter. I am not writing a letter. I give example letter. In case of interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence, subject, no, at first auxiliary verb am, is, are. Am, is, are, then subject, then verb. Verb means main verb, ing plus object or extension. At last, sometimes we can see some sentence negative interrogative also. So negative interrogative sentence, then you can write am, is, are plus subject plus not plus verb plus ing plus object or extension. It will be clear. I want to give some example. At first I give I am writing a letter. So number 2 I want to give I am not writing a letter. Number 3 I want to give interrogative sense. Am I am writing a letter. Then am is beginning. Am I writing a letter and note of interrogation. Number 4 am, is, are. Am, at first we write am. Am I not writing a letter. Then another example you may give, another 4 example. It can be used, you can use he. Number 1. Another 4 example. Number 5. he is eating rice. He is eating rice. সে ভাত খেতেছে. Number 6, negative, he is not eating rice. Number 7, easy. Look at the structure. There are 4 structure. Third, am is at the beginning. Is he eating rice? Number 8, negative. In case of negative, am is are at first, then subject, then not. So in case of negative, is he not eating rice? In Bangla, সে ভাত খাচ্ছে বা খাইতেছে. He is eating rice. In negative, he is not eating rice. সে ভাত খাচ্ছে না. Is he eating rice? সে কি ভাত খাচ্ছে? Is he not eating rice? সে কি ভাত খাচ্ছে না. All these are present continuous tense, and there are 4 type sentence. To understand, you can make many sentence. Suppose you are reading a book. At first you are reading a book, তুমি একটি বই পড়তেছো. Then you are not reading a book. নেগেটিভ ক্ষেত্রে তুমি একটি বই পড়ছো না. Are you reading a book? তুমি কি একটি বই পড়তেছো? Are you not reading a book? তুমি কি একটি বই পড়ছো না? This kind of 4 sentence you use. I think you understood it very clearly. If you do not understand anything, you may comment my comment box. And I want to say about important thing about present continuous tense. Sometimes present continuous tense means a future action also. What is this? Suppose I ask you, what are you doing? তুমি কি করছো? Then you may answer by one way answer, I am going shopping, I am going playing. তুমি কি করতেছো? আমি বাজার করতে যাচ্ছি, আমি খেলতে যাচ্ছি. Or are you playing football tomorrow? Are you playing football tomorrow? Or are you playing cricket tomorrow? Your answer is yes or not. It is also mean future action. So sometimes present continuous tense give us future meaning or future action also. Dear students, here are some example which present continuous indicating a future action. Read the following sentence and look at the underlined verbs. Tell your partner which tense it is. So you are at home now, so you need not tell your partner. I am reading the example. I am going to visit my grandma this weekend. What about? Number 2. Do you think our teacher is going to give us a good grade for this assignment? Number 3. Who of you are going to work as volunteers? Please raise your hands. Number 4. When is your uncle coming back from his overseas study? Number 5. It is going to be a big problem if you do not pay attention to it now. Dear students, look at the underlined words. Number 1, I am going to visit. Number 2, is going to give. Number 3, are going to work. Number 4, is coming. Number 5, is going to be. All these are present tense, present continuous tense, as the structure is subject plus am is are or verb ing with ing. So it is present continuous tense, but all the actions are indicating a future action. All the event indicates a future action. So present continuous tense express an incomplete action which is still going on, মানে বর্তমানকালে কোনো কাজ চলতেছে বা হচ্ছে এরকম বোঝায়, এবং নিকট ভবিষ্যতে কোনো কাজ হবে, আমি কি করব, কি করতে যাচ্ছি, এগুলিও প্রেজেন্ট কন্টিনিউয়াস টেন্স বোঝায়। Now I want to give you a simple homework. Homework. Very simple homework. Here are 5 sentences you make. Here are 5 words you make 5 or 10 sentences or 15 or 20. Make sentences. Make sentences by using the following words. Make sentences by using the following verbs. At first, walk, then work, then drink, then drive. These 4. Dear students, we are at the end of the lesson. Now I want to say something about present situation. All of you are passing a very critical moment this time, COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh and whole world. So we stay at home and stay safe. But if we go outside for important works, then we must use masks. It is compulsory. Whenever we go outside, we use it, and we make social distance. That means one to another minimum 3 feet or 1 meter, and we use water and soap to wash our hands with or hand sanitizer for 20 seconds several times in a day. We eat vitamin, protein or rich food and take rest. Pray to Almighty Allah. We should exercise and we should passing our time with enjoyment. Don't be sad. Always be relaxed mind. Pray to Almighty Allah. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz. Thanks all.